Right, yesterday I camped out for 1 hour for this, and then this morning I suddenly find it at Paignton bus station. Here is 18110, Stagecoach Southwest Learner Bus.
Normal layout.
Yeah.
That's what we do now. So for people who are now learning, we put
It's like a classroom,
tables in here,
yeah.
the whiteboard for when we instruct the guys. So
yeah.
It's a little bit different than the normal trident you would have seen.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice layout.
So isn't it? It's good.